Bepanthen contains the active substance dexpanthenol. Dexpanthenol in skin cells quickly turns into pantothenic acid, which is an integral part of coenzyme A and plays an important role both in the formulation and healing of damaged skin, stimulates skin regeneration, normalizes cellular metabolism. Indications: Bepanthen is used in adults and children for a violation of the integrity of the skin, healing of burns, including solar, minor skin damage, abrasions, cuts, cracks, etc. Prevention and treatment of dry skin, include and as a result of dermatitis of various origins. Daily care for areas of the skin that are most exposed to external factors, face, hands. Care for the mammary glands during lactation, cracks and redness of the nipples of the mammary gland. Care for infants, diaper rash, diaper dermatitis. How to use: apply externally. The cream is applied in a thin layer on the affected surface and gently rubbed. Apply 1 to 2 times per day. Care of the mammary glands and nursing mothers. The cream is applied to the nipples after each feeding. Baby care. The cream is applied at each change of the diaper. Contraindications. Contraindication to the use of Bepanthen is hypersensitivity to the components of the drug. Side effects: when using the drug are possible in extremely rare cases allergic reactions.